On the way na kami sa aqueduct. Ayan na pala yung aqueduct. Ang laki.
Looking a bit like a skateboard ramp. Well, that home belongs to the one and only Mr. Jackie Chan.
Una namin ay soup, duck, roast duck with golden fried rice. Ito na kami sa Kmart, Gold Coast. Nag-Gold Coast pa kami para lang sa Kmart. On the way na kami sa aqueduct. Wow, ay, mali. Ayan na pala yung aqueduct. Ang laki. Ang laki pala niya, guys. Tatawagin daw kami bago kami sumakay dun sa aqueduct. So, ang dami nang nag-aabang. Kasi malapit na yung 4:45 aming schedule. So, yung aqueduct is amphibian car. Laki pala niya, pero hindi na din car. Bus na siya halos. Pwede siya sa tubig, pwede sa lupa. Ayun na, group of. Hintay natin tawagin yung ating name. Ma, tayo. Dito na kami nakaupo. Sa harap. And pa-aircon. Protected ako sa nalito.
Hi everyone, I'm the Aqueduct.
Yeah, good on you, Ducky. You'll be hearing from him a few times through our tour.
Now you will notice Ducky is a bit of a celebrity, so people will be waving and saying hello. Give them a wave back, maybe a quack if you feel like it. To make their day, to make their entire year. And on our journey today, we'll take you through Surfers Paradise, past our beautiful beaches, then we're jumping in the water in Southport. That's when we get our junior drivers started. The kids get to be captain.
Ang kulit. Wow. May tramway pala sila. May tram pala sila.
Walang center.
Ha?
Dito pa lang center.
Oo nga, nandito pa lang City Center.
We are about to turn onto the Esplanade. It's the main road that goes between Surfers Paradise and the beach. You see the Paradise Centre, that's come up on the left. It's been a staple in Cavill Mall for many years. It's had some renovations recently. But things like time zone, bowling, restaurants and plenty of good shopping. Cavill Mall was named after Jim Cavill, who opened up the Surfers Paradise Hotel in 1925. This is back when Surfers Paradise was known as Elston. Now the reason for the name change is because they thought it'd be better for tourism and marketing. And boy were they right. Surfers Paradise now sees over 4 million tourists every single year. There's also night markets that happen here every Wednesday, Friday and Saturday night between 4 and 9 p.m. Plenty of different stores to have a look at, and it's a perfect place to get a unique gift for your loved ones. We also host plenty of events on the Gold Coast. Back in 2018, we had the Commonwealth Games. You'll see some blue koala statues around, and that is Borrowby, and he was our mascot. There's also New Year's Eve fireworks that'll be happening on Surfers Paradise Beach. There'll be some earlier for the little kids, and then obviously the ones at midnight, so definitely get to the beach on New Year's Eve. And I'm sure lots of you are familiar with schoolies. That's when the Year 12s finish up high school and come up to the Gold Coast to celebrate. You guys chose a great time to come and see us, because they're not here right now. Thank goodness. The beachfront apartments are strong. If you wanted to purchase one, it's going to cost you a couple of $1 million minimum.
Bag yung mga pine tree na.
Kaya, pine tree kain. Sa bagay yung weather niya parang malamig din. Cool din.
Some beautiful and expensive homes around this area. There's one about to come up on the right. It's a very tall sandstone building called Sea. Get your wallets out, because one of the apartment floors is on the market right now. They're asking for offers over $8 million.
Wow.
That's okay. Make sure to own one of those apartment floors. Let's keep working at Aqueduct to stay humble.
Oh my God.
Mahal. 8 million. Astig. Mangas. Dami palang aqua.
Too many ducks in the water.
May isang aqua lang sa tubig. Yung video mo lang. May nabibidyo na nasa tubig. Ducks.
Oh, ducky, you'll get used to it. Just like that, we're in the water, so road rules no longer apply. Feel free to stand up and walk around. Let's get everybody in the middle seats to please remove your seatbelts as well. And try and keep Ducky as balanced as you can, because I don't want to tip over again today. Only kidding. With a skipper like John on board, we're in very safe hands. I'll pass you over to your skipper in a moment. He can tell us more about the beautiful part of the world.
Looking a bit like a skateboard ramp. Well, that home belongs to the one and only Mr. Jackie Chan. Of course, Jackie Chan also has another home up the northern end of the coast, so what depending where he's doing his filming, when he's on the Gold Coast, northern end, southern end, of course is where he resides.
Tapos na ang aming aqueduct session. Yan si aqueduct. Hanap naman kami ngayon na kainan dito sa Surfers Paradise. Teka, nabulag ako. Ang liwanag. Kailangan ko ng shades. Yeah, much better. Tayo sa Caville Rest Hotel. Nakita ko yung Melba's Asian Seafood. Check lang na kung masarap ba siya. Takeaway, welcome. Really? May Peking ka. Una sa list natin yung prawn and pork wonton soup. Naka-order na kami. Nakapagod yung biyahe sa airport. Ba't kami nasa Gold Coast? Siyempre, we're celebrating our 10th year anniversary. Wow! So, 10 years na kami ni Char. And nakakatawa lang kasi paras kami nag-prepare na sarili surprise. Tapos nakausap namin lang separately. So, yung surprise niya is yung pa-balloon, tsaka cheese platter, and photo frame. Pati yung cake dessert. Sa akin naman yung flower and fruit platter. Tapos tataka siya, paano ko na-contact? Malamang, may telepono sila, di ba? Doon kami nagka-surprise. Kaya pala ang tagal ng room namin. So after mag-freshen up saglit, kami dyan sa aqueduct. Kasi yun yung next schedule namin. Okay naman siya. Parang masaya siya sa simula. Yung bandang nasa tubig na, medyo ano na, so-so na, normal na lang. Buti na lang madaldal yung tour guide.
Ano yung mga nakita
sa aqueduct? Mga bahay ng mga celebrities, tsaka mamahaling bahay ni Jackie Chan. Ayun, doon. Meron pala siyang bahay dito sa Gold Coast. Kita din namin yung Marina something. Yun daw yung
Saan merong bahay sila, condo sila, Madonna nga ba? May isa pa eh, Elton John. Ang daming celebrities para dito. Nandun dito si Margot Robbie.
Si Barbie. Di ko alam yun eh.
Sabi dito daw siya.
Sandun din malapit yung mga jet ski, hire, tsaka yung whale watching, nandun din. Pero na-trauma na kasi kami sa Sydney. So, syempre, ekis na yun sa amin. Ang looking forward na lang kami is yung sa movie world. Tingnan namin. So far, based sa forecast, nagiging fine yung weather ng buong stay namin. So, yay! Yun na mainit. So, yun siya. So, ngayon, kakain lang kami ngayon dito sa Melba's Seafood Restaurant. So, pinabala sa lang siya. Babaan ng aqueduct. And, punta kaming Kmart nagpunta ng Gold Coast para mag-Kmart. Titingin lang. Shopping center. So, later na lang ulit. Hintayin natin food. Yan. Merong Tapos may bar din sila doon. So, typical Chinese restaurant. Tapos, ayan. Ang common sa mga Chinese restaurant is may papapel para madaling linisin yung table. Ganyan din yung sa Melbourne. Sunday ngayon sa mahal ang surcharge. Pero okay lang. Nakabakasyon naman. Pati wallet. Una namin ay soup. Pork and wonton soup. Yummy. Tikman natin. Ang sarap. Duck, roast duck with golden fried rice. New Year. Pa. Sisling pala eh. Yummy. Tram/train ng light rail ng Queensland. Walking tayo sa Surfers Park. Asan? Wow. Gold Coast. And 2,440. Tingin tayo. Shirt. Tingin tayong shirts. Your photo here. Gold Coast. Ayan o, shirts ulit. Doon? Vomitron? Ay, hindi. Yung slingshot. Vomitron. Dito tayo binaba kanina. Ang nipis nga lang. Ha?
Hindi ka pa ng isa sa'yo.
Oo, bibili talaga. Binilan kita eh. Libre kita. Bili tayo.
Wow, libre niya sa akin 20 lang. Yung mga libre ko sa akin 3 digits pala.
Bayad tayo. Bili tayo ng card.
Ayaw niya.
Ano sabi?
Paano ko
Keypad below. Issuing go card.
Please be aware that it is an offence to smoke possession alcohol on train or station.
Anong ito? Point? Pacific Fair.
Ito yung
Shopping mall.
Ito yung Pop Mart.
Pop Mart. Sige.
Ito nakita ko lang itong ano.
Dracula's. Okay, shopping muna kami. Ito Boulevard. Lapit lang siya sa Broad Beach sa station. Pacific Fair, Myer, David Jones. Ito na yung nila. CBD. Chad's. Oo nga no. High Point. At ano pa isang malang? Westfield. So tayo. Nahanap lang naman namin Kmart. Laki din ng nila shopping center. Ganda ng decor nila. Ayun pala yung Myer nila. Hanggang 6 PM na. Lapit na tayo sa sa labas pala. Sa gitna nung meron pa rin silang pa-outdoor sa loob ng mall. Malawak. Siguro nakaka-1 kilometro na tayo. H&M? Titingin ka ba sa H&M? Sarado na. Ayan na, Kmart. Thank you for shopping at Kmart. Hindi Ayun, nandun Coles. Layo. Malaki lang talaga. At na kami sa Kmart, Gold Coast. Nag-Gold Coast pa kami para lang sa Kmart.